We're in the subway of Rio. See, this is what a subway in Rio looks like. You guys didn't know they have trains here, but they do. They have the elevator you can go up and down. This usually costs about $1.50. So if we paid like $3 for two people, right?
We pay $1 for the cards, like $1 for the card. So, yeah, about $2.50, $3.
Yeah, each person or total?
Total.
Oh, total. And also, guys, you want to use a credit card or a debit card. It's probably better because cash. A lot of times the machines are down, and you ain't gonna have the good luck. You can swipe your card.
You can literally swipe your card.
Yeah.
Like your debit card or your credit card.
Guys, we in Brazil. You already know what it is. In the train station. We didn't know we had a train. It's with your boy, Mr. Internationally Known Nationwide Respect is gonna show you. You know what I mean? That's what we showing you. Oh yeah. We're on the train, guys. This is what it looks like. Way cleaner than New York City or in the States. Or even Boston.
Most people don't even know you can take the train in.
I know, they don't even know.
They just Uber.
But we're gonna show them. We're gonna show them.
Taking the train to the people.
Guys, it's your boy Milano. We back here again. We in Copacabana Beach. Copacabana. You see what you want.
Oh, yeah.
Aye. We brought y'all to Copacabana because we know y'all want to get that real footage. Y'all want to mess with the guys that know how to move. Yeah, guys, we out here. Everybody's really into working out, and when it's beach season, they're showing out. You know what I'm talking about? They're showing out. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, guys, walking through here. We get into the beach. This is a good place to go to.
They got good food there too.
Oh yeah. So, this is Empanema?
No, man, we
okay.
in Copacabana. We got
We're still in Copacabana.
We're gonna take this little taxi, it's $1 taxi.
Yeah, dollar taxi.
I think it's like
I walk is better. We need that. Muy bonita, muy bonita.
Oh, comida.
Comida? Okay, let's go. Yeah. We recording or no?
Check them.
Okay. This is some good food right here. You guys can eat good here. Mucho delicioso. Perfecto. Como tú? Como tú? Como tú? Como tú, perfecto. Yeah, perfecto. Yeah, it's pretty good. We probably need this because there's a lot of salad. Muy gordito.
It's probably a little healthier than going to the other one.
What? This is probably healthier?
No, it's definitely healthier than that.
Matt's got some chicken wings though.
Yeah, they got some chicken.
And we know brothers love chicken wings.
Okay.
And I love chicken wings too, guys. I love chicken wings. Yeah. Oh man, guys, this guy's eating like a king. Look at this. These are fresh cut potato chips. They're considered fries, but whatever you want. What's that sausage right there?
No, the sausage here is...
No, the sausage right there.
That's farofa.
Okay.
That's just what I don't want.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. What is that?
That with cheese.
Oh, okay.
Filet mignon
Cheese.
with cheese. That's nice.
Okay.
And
then they got these little things too.
yeah, that's bread, cheese bread. But believe me, that's only occupy some space that
You need for
you
more
need
stuff
free
that's
for
gonna cost more
meat.
money. Yeah. Billy's eating good.
Really good.
What I got some salad, guys. You know I messed up with the carbs. That's some fish. Yep.
Yes.
I know this is a bunch of sugar right here, but whatever. Oh. Okay. Oh, they're right. Fries. But yeah, this is our only meal for today, though, guys. Just remember, so don't kill us too much. I mean, Jesus Christ. These are the cheese rolls. I'm not gonna reprice. I might bite one of those, but not really gonna mess with none of this. I mean, not with the cheese rolls too much. I definitely wanna try this out. Good.
Quiseram carninha, só colocar no verde, tá? Só virar a fichinha.
Very good. I made a good decision on a cheapskate Jake price.
Can't go wrong.
Okay, good. We got the drinks. Let me try the fish, guys. Let me see. Maneuver this camera. Let me try the fish. Let me see these guys. I didn't bring my gimbal today, so you guys got bad looking. I'm doing two hands. It's not bad. Let me get some more. Walk. You can burn this stuff off, you know?
You want to walk on the beach side? Let's walk on the beach side.
Yeah.
We're going to do this. We got to do this.
Buffet. Jesus Christ. And they got deck right here.
Yeah. Americano. But I look good.
Copacabana Beach. You guys see it? They got buses here. They got chicas you can ride like buses here. Watch out, Philly. Let me go this way. Excusa. Taxis making that money. Copacabana Beach. And you rock with your boy, Malone Travel Vlog. Aye.